Okay, now we're going to be doing the posterior side. So we'll be dealing with the back and shoulder muscles. Okay, so we're going to start with the traps or trapezius. So that is this whole area here. So it's this, this, and this. So nice little trapezoid. Then you have your lats. Lats are the latissimus dorsi. So if you're at the gym and you got your arms straight up and over your head and you grab a bar and you pull it down, you're working your lats, this muscle. Okay, so we have lats or latissimus dorsi. And then we have your traps or your trapezius. Then on the side, you can see the deltoid. Okay, then over here, the trapezius has been removed so that you could see the muscles underneath. We start with a levator scapulae. Okay, so scapulae meaning scapula, which is this bone under here. So you have levator scapulae. Then we have rhomboid minor and rhomboid major. So you'll see all three of those in a row. Levator scapulae, rhomboid minor, rhomboid major. Okay, now if we go over to the scapula, you can see two of the rotator cuff muscles. We have the supraspinatus and the infraspinatus. Okay, so let's do them all one more time. We have your latissimus dorsi, the trapezius, deltoid, levator scapulae, rhomboid minor, rhomboid major, supraspinatus, infraspinatus.